Hey everyone, it's Jen from Tarte Cosmetics, and I am so excited to share with you 4 products that I have just been currently reaching for every single day. I've been obsessed with these. They're total game changers, and I'm going to show you how to apply them and why you're going to love them. So as you can see, I've got some redness, some dark circles. I haven't been sleeping. Busy mom over here, but the first product I want to share with you is our Found Sealer. I love this. This is our Babasu Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation. Now what this is it's 4 or 5 products in one. It's your moisturizer, your serum, your concealer, your foundation, and your SPF all in one. It's got SPF 20. Being a busy mom, I don't have time to apply all those products in the morning. That's just not in the cards. So this is my way to just get it all done in one step, and you can tell I love it because look how much is missing from my tube. I use this literally every single day. Now I'm gonna apply to half my face just so you guys can see, you know, the best way to use it and how beautiful the coverage is. It's this gorgeous medium buildable coverage. I'm going to be using the Found Sealer brush to apply. I love this. I feel like it just gives it the perfect application every single time. And I cannot say enough good things about this. And what I also love about it is it looks like skin. It doesn't look like you're wearing makeup. It just looks like your skin, but way better. Now you can see, look at this gorgeous coverage. Okay, this side, it looks okay, but there's redness here, some around my eye area. I've got a little bit of dark circles from lack of sleep, but look on this side, look how luminous, dewy, fresh, and even my skin looks. That's what this is going to do for you. It's going to give you the most gorgeous looking skin that you've ever had in your entire life. So if you've got redness, dark circles, hyperpigmentation, this is going to conceal it and hide it for you. Just watch as this goes in, but what you're not seeing is all good for you ingredients like that Babasu, which is a super balm from the Amazon that is rich in essential fatty acids, going to work, nourishing my skin, hydrating it. This is skincare meets foundation, but in a revolutionary way, and I am obsessed, and you will be too when you get this at home. Now for those of you who forgot what was going on under my eye area, I did a little wipe off for you so you can see I've got some dark circles, I've got some redness, just like many of us do, but I also got Shape Tape Concealer, so I am all good. This is my favorite concealer. This is full coverage, long wear, 16-hour wear by the way, and it's also going to give your skin like the most nourishing coverage of your life. This leaves you with this creamy matte finish that just leaves your skin looking illuminated. I'm gonna do a little here on my chin, and I like to put some here. It also brightens your skin, but this is full coverage at its best. I'm gonna show you right now. So whether you have dark circles, redness, hyperpigmentation, rosacea, whatever it is, this is going to get it covered for you. It's going to leave you looking flawless, radiant, but it also instantly smooths out the appearance of your skin. That's that tape technology going to work. I want you to see this. This is infused with mango seed butter, shea butter, vitamin E, and licorice root extracts. But look at this. Look how it just instantly wakes me up. This is my cup of coffee in the morning. Look at that. How beautiful. Notice, look how much more illuminated, lifted, and smoothed out this area looks compared to this one. Some people need a double shot of espresso in the morning. I just need Shape Tape Concealer and I am good to go. Just look at that. Oh, she's back. Now the next item is our Man-Eater Mascara. I love this. I feel like it just makes your lashes look instantly full, longer, thicker, but it separates and fans out each and every last lash, giving you the perfect application every single time. And I'm just gonna come in and show you. What makes it so unique is the brush. I want you to see. This brush is unlike any other mascara wand. It has a molded flex brush that has over 500 bristles that grab and coat each and every last lash beautifully. So you're gonna see. Okay, look at this. Notice how they don't look clumpy or cakey or spidery. They just look like fluffy, full, natural, and soft. And I mean, they're there in this side, but you can't really see them. They're kind of sticking straight out and they're very sparse looking. Where in this one, look how full and voluptuous they look. And this mascara is also so nourishing for your lashes because it's infused with jojoba, carnauba wax, and triple black mineral pigments. So this is going to give you the darkest lashes you've ever had. Just look at how it transformed them. Is that not incredible? All right, now the last item I want to share with you is our new Maracuja Juicy Lip. I love this so much. I'm using the rose shade. This is unlike any other lip product you've ever tried. It's infused with this cushion comfort complex that just hugs your lips. It's really, really hydrating, really nourishing. You're getting the benefits of like a lip mask and a lip balm, the wear and coverage of a lipstick, and like the finish of a gorgeous gloss. And I want you to see, so I'm gonna apply to half my lip. I want you guys to see how this just instantly hydrates and plumps the appearance of my lips. It's incredible. I'm just gonna go like this, and it's buildable color, so if you want to make it a little bit more dark and intense, you absolutely can. I'm just doing 2 swipes just like that, and look at this. Look how much more hydrated this side looks. I love these. They're also infused with the oils and extracts of over 10 superfruits. Actually, let me read them off for you because I want you to see. It's incredible how many are in here. It's so nourishing. We've got in here maracuja, grapeseed, goji, acai, acerola, pomegranate, watermelon, strawberry, blueberry. You're also getting peach, cranberry, and vitamin E. This is like the most nourishing lip product you are ever going to use. Just look how it instantly plumped and smoothed out the appearance of my lips. All right, thank you so much for hanging out with me. This was so much fun sharing my current faves, and stay tuned for more videos to come. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.